ప్రమాదం జరిగిన ప్రదేశంలోనే మనం ఉన్నాం. ఇప్పటికీ రెస్క్యూ ఆపరేషన్స్ కొనసాగుతున్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు కూడా 2 బాడీస్ లోపల ఉన్నాయి, ట్రేస్ అయ్యాయని చెప్తున్నారు. వాటిని తీసుకువెళ్ళడానికి అక్కడికొచ్చారు. అదే సమయంలో నేషనల్ ఫోరెన్సిక్ సైన్సెస్ నుంచి నరేష్ కూడా మనతో అందుబాటులో ఉన్నారు. నరేష్ కుమార్, ఆయనతో మనం మాట్లాడదాం. నరేష్ గారు, నరేష్ జీ, వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ ఇన్సైడ్?
Actually, inside situation is very bad. Actually, it's totally human remains and totally luggage remains are there. Aeroplane crashes are there, and no anybody is permitted to go inside. And totally, it is the restricted area by the police, Gujarat police and central government police. And it is a very disastrous situation for each and everyone. That no one, anybody was survived. Only one candidate survived. So situation is very bad.
Have you talked to him? Who survived?
No. I didn't talk to that person who survived. Not till now.
Okay. Still there are any body parts inside?
Actually, that is the crime scene area, and that is totally prohibited. Obviously, beneath the garbage of the aeroplane remains, maybe there may be chances of any body remains are there.
What is it? How much time will it take to complete the rescue?
It will take time. It's not a part of 1 hour. It's not a part of 2 hours. But it will take some time to revive and to normalize the situation, whatever that happens.
What is the situation of those bodies still?
Actually, they are stuck with the garbage of aeroplane remains, and actually we don't know that where actually body present or not. So situation is going on. Actually, NDRF team is working so nicely, and medical staff, nursing staff, forensic staff, they are working very nicely. So everyone is doing
How
properly.
many bodies traced out till now?
So that exactly figure I don't know.
Okay. What is the situation? Who got wounded? Medical staff.
Actually, medical staff is doing work. He's all the best, and everyone is doing work properly.
Okay. What is the National Forensic Sciences team doing?
Actually, National Forensic Science University, that is the one and only university in all over India. And according to our Vice Chancellor, Dr. J.M. Vyas sir, as well as our campus director sir, Dr. S.O. Junare sir, and our dean sir, Dr. G. Rajesh Babu, whatever the instruction they are giving to us, according to that instructions, we are obeying the rules regulation, and we are helping the FSL team for the victim identification and as well as the disaster management.
How many days it will take to victim identification to give
It will take time, sir. Number of days we can't say properly. Exact figure is totally unknown.
Finally, what is the situation? What is the
Actually, totally burn area is there. No, only police staff and all the faculty, all the NDRF team, all the members, they are surrounding the crime scene area, and they are preserving the evidence. Whatever the evidence those are present at that area, they are preserving. They are preventing the contamination of that evidences. So if the evidence is contaminated, there may be chances of default. So they are preserving.
few persons who are the students of medical college who survived from that accident and they are getting treatment in
I don't think so. Those person who injured, they will survive because the accident was very tremendous. As well as actually, we usually came for our lunch in that hostel mess canteen, but yesterday, unfortunately, we didn't come for lunch. Actually, we were stuck in our work in the emergency trauma center. So we usually came in that mess, but yesterday we didn't come. And when we heard that loud voice, and totally it was a black smoky area around near about 700 meters in the hospital. So we just came and see the situation. We refers to number of the dead bodies to the emergency department, postmortem room, autopsy. All
Every
these
day
things.
you come here?
Yes. Yesterday we came here.
So fortunately.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
What do you see in seeing that?
Actually, the temperature was very high, and it was totally smoky, black smoky area, and it was a very difficult situation to identify, to revive the situation, because we can't reach at near about the victims. All the dead bodies who are present at that area, we were totally unable to reach. So fire brigade is doing their work properly, and they were revive the situations, whatever that happened. Okay, thank you very much.